How to change your name in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Changing your in-game name in Farlight 84 is a great way to refresh your profile or choose a nickname that better represents you. So in that case, first of all, launch the Farlight 84 on your smartphone or tablet and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left corner. Now you'll come across this page where you need to go to the top right section and tap on More. In the pop-up, click on Change Name. Now you'll need a rename card in order to change your name. If you've got one, you can go ahead and enter a new name and click on OK. If not, then you can purchase the rename card for 99 diamonds. Simply tap on purchase, and if you've got the diamonds, you will be able to purchase it right away. So that is how you will be able to change your name in Farlight 84. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.